Good morning and welcome to Exploring Cape Town episode number 5. Today we're going to Melkbos. It's a spot where you would go when it's pretty windy in Sunset Beach, Dolphin or whatever, because for wave kiting you don't need too much wind and the wave just gets destroyed by the wind. So yeah, today is a pretty windy day. The waves aren't too big in Sunset Beach and the Melkbos is usually bigger, so that's another reason to go there. So yeah, just gonna try it today and see how it is in Melkbos. We just arrived at the spot, and on the first impression it reminds me of Denmark. There's a lot of whitewash out there, a lot of waves. The sand is flying on the beach, so I guess I'll take a 7 meter because it looks pretty strong already. So yeah, let's give this spot a chance, try it, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about it later. So let's do it. It was actually just as I expected it to be. The waves been pretty fun, but it was just like Denmark, so a lot of waves coming from everywhere, but you could find some fun sections, and the wind was pretty much constant, not like in Sunset Beach where you have super gusty wind. And that was so fun that I even tried some strapless freestyle on the green room. The green room is basically just a waveboard. So yeah, all in all was pretty fun. I really liked the wind, but the wind was actually pretty strong, so I was powered on my 7 meter. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like and leave a comment, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Guess we're going